Welcome to my channel Blended Learning. Hi, I am Bhumik. This is my first video and from now I am going to start a series of videos based upon study blogs. So keep watching my channel. So today main topic is how we can get ourselves get prepared for the next class. I am making this video in the ending of the month March just because many of us exam have been ended in this time period, so that all of you can experience or you can get the tips and tricks how you can get prepare yourself for the next examination. Let us begin it. But before that, if you all know that due to COVID pandemic and also lockdown, our study have been influenced, and to manage all our studies in this situation is very a difficult thing. But here I am with some tips and tricks. According to me, this will be really helpful to you. Let us begin. Our first point is availability of books. If you have your books in your hand, that is a good thing. But those who do not have their books, they can do an alternative thing to download the app from the link is in the description, because this app called ePathshala has a variety of NCERT books. By that you can download the chapters of the books and you can read them. This was the first point. Second point is reading. We have been reading since chapter wise, but this is the wrong way. You can read or you should read chapter in a paragraph wise. You should read paragraph two times because it will be memorized to you, and for the better understanding it will also help you. Second point is understanding. Understanding will help you to make the topic more easier to learn, and the topic will be very simple to you. So here you can do something with it. You can just make shorter notes. If you will read the paragraph twice and complete the whole chapter in this way, your understanding will betterly improve in this way. But for the more things, you can make your own shorter notes. This will provide you a help. Trust me, this will be going to work very efficiently. Third point is how to make short notes, because short note is a task which need to be categorized on your own. I will tell you all these things related to it in another video. If you want another video, let me know in the comment section. But let me tell you a brief description about it. As you read the paragraph two times regularly of this chapter, you will have a better understanding. This understanding will help you to build your own sentence to this paragraph, and you can make or write this all sentence in your own in a notebook. Maintain this notebook till the end of the examination, and trust me, see it will help you a lot. After that, we have a point called teaching. So what is this teaching and is it really helpful to me? Yes, it is very helpful. I have tried this on my own. I have taught my brother all the things all the concepts which I know about the science, social, English or Hindi. Even though mathematics too. So teach your parent, teach your brother or your sibling, so that it will be helpful to you for revision purpose and to helpful to them too. The last point is revision. How you will revise all that you have learned. The chapter which you have read will be summarized into the short notes which you have maintained in a notebook. So, in the times of examination, chapter. Do not read the chapter, by the way, because reading the chapter is also equal to reading the short notes. But if you have a many much confusion regarding the reading or regarding the chapter of any subject, you can just go throughout the chapter once again. Guys, there is a bonus tip in this. So, when you are preparing for your next session, you have to see the subject list. In the subject list, the subject which is newly to you needs more time. So, be focused on that subject.